how to level up on Steam. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can level up on Steam. So first of all, you need to open your Steam app from your desktop, and after that you just have to click on the right above corner to your view my profile option, and after that you can see the level option. From here you just simply have to click on level, and as you can see that it says it cannot level up because your account is limited. Please visit Steam support for details. You can just click on Steam support and solve this problem. And there are also other options like 4 of 28 tasks completed, complete 9 more Steam community tasks to earn the level 1 badge. So there are multiple tasks to level ups, like it says you can add a phone number to your account, it will level up, and you can use the Steam mobile app for two-factor authentication. You can view a broadcast, you can use the store discovery queue, you can add a game to your wish list, you can review game, play game. I've completed the play game, and you can add a friend to your friends list, and you can post a screenshot, post a video, rate an item on the workshop. You can set an avatar to on your community profile, view a guide in the Steam overlay, subscribe to an item in the Steam workshop. And you can also set your real name on your community profile. You can also set a profile background, you can join a group, you can comment on a friend's profile. You can also rate up content in your activity feed, and you can post a status to your friends, and you can also comment on a friend's screenshot, craft a game badge and feature a badge on your profile, and use a Steam emoticon in the chat. You can also search the Steam discussions, try out the community market, make a trade. So if I complete all the tasks from here, it will automatically level up my account from 0 to level 1 badge. So that's what I've shown you on this video, how to level up, and I've already told you all the options available. So hope you'd like that, and you'll get benefited from this video. So see you in the next one.